Now this is going to go along with the fires we're going to be talking. Let me get all the stuff out of here that I don't need. Here's another issue on the water down in Australia. Chinese company approved to run water mining operation in drought-stricken Queensland. See, they're in a mega drought, and it's not only an engineered drought by weather warfare, it's also a drought by bad land management, cutting off certain dams so the water doesn't flow inward where it's supposed to, and that's to keep all these companies that are buying the water rights up, keeping them with the water, but the Australian people and the farmers don't get the water. A Chinese-owned company has been granted approval to run a 96 megaliter a year commercial water mining operation in several drought-hit southern Queensland where locals are on water rations and communities at imminent risk of running dry. How can their government get away with this? I mean, come on, people. You're going to have to stand up, man. You cannot let these psychopaths keep doing this. Oh, I don't know if you guys gave up your guns yet or not. When you look at some of the aircraft down here, these are the same aircraft that they put silver iodide rockets strapped to them, the LJ-35s. You can see these planes have no markings, and they're flying right over the fire zones. We got several that are doing this that are unmarked planes. What do you think is coming out of these planes? Oh, we were talking about that hot blob off the New Zealand coast. All you need to know, this coming out of the mainstream, it's all a big lie. These can all be fabricated. Now, what I was wanting to show you guys, a national scandal. Queensland's dam emptied into the sea. Guess what it's called? The Paradise Dam near Bundaberg opened in 2006 at a cost of $200 million, but a 2016 safety review found it was riddled with design and construction faults. So I guess it wasn't such a paradise dam after all. The government is refusing to release any of the safety and engineering reports, meaning the public knows nothing about the cause of the damage and the cost of the repairs. So, more water issues down here. And then we have this. Why is NASA buying lightweight semi-automatic rifles? Thanks everybody out there who helps support us, keeps this thing going. Not easy trying to go against the mainstream, that's for sure.